Friends, just imagine a motorcycle with looks that seem to come from a futuristic vehicle, an engine pumping out over 100 horsepower, and built to conquer the world's toughest roads. But here's a strange twist. The company is telling you to book the bike right now, yet they aren't telling you how much it costs. Yes, you heard that right. Today we are talking about the CF Moto 1000 MTX. Is it just a bike, or is it set to be the most powerful and expensive Chinese-made adventure monster to date? Let's uncover the real mystery inside. For those of you who love technology, you know that hardware has no value without power. CF Moto has made no compromises in this new model. A 946cc inline twin-cylinder liquid-cooled engine has been used as the heart of this bike. Hearing these specifications will make your jaw drop. Maximum horsepower has crossed the 100 HP mark, and torque is 105 Nm, available at just 6,250 RPM. The most interesting part is that 90% of the engine's torque is available within the 5,500 to 8,000 RPM range. This means whether you are climbing a rocky mountain or quickly overtaking on the highway, this engine will never disappoint you. Many people looking at this engine are saying it is inspired by the KTM 890 ADV platform. Although CF Moto has not directly admitted anything yet, seeing its power curve and structural design, it is natural for this question to arise in the minds of experienced riders. Is this the start of a new era, or just a modern form of an old, powerful platform? Just like we talk about the build quality of premium smartphones, the case is exactly the same for this bike. CF Moto hasn't just used cheap parts here, they've brought in the best names in the market. First to catch the eye is the suspension. KYB Adjustable Long Travel Inverted Front Forks are used here. During bad roads or off-roading, this will make your ride as smooth as butter. For tires, they have chosen Pirelli All-Terrain tires, which are equally effective everywhere, from mud to highways. And for braking, it features high-spec Brembo Calipers. Giving maximum importance to safety while riding, it includes cornering ABS to maintain balance during turns, switchable traction control system, TCS, as a blessing for off-road riders, and a sliding clutch to make gear shifting easier and safer. We are now living in an era where a bike is incomplete without technology. In the 1000 MTX, you will get a massive 8-inch full-color TFT instrument panel. It's not just a display, it's your bike's control center. Additionally, for long journeys it features cruise control, which will make highway riding much more comfortable. Now let's get to the most controversial topic. CF Moto has launched blind booking, or a blind pre-purchase system for this bike. That is, you know all the features of the bike, but you don't know the actual price. It's a bit like pre-ordering a new iPhone before it launches, but here, the price itself is a mystery. But why are they doing this? Is it a strategy to understand the market's pulse? According to sources, CF Moto wants to see how much riders are willing to pay for a bike of this level. However, for those taking the risk to book, some great offers have been kept. 2 standard services absolutely free. The policy for this roadside assistance is truly commendable. They will provide free service within 500 kilometers, and if it's more, they will charge 10 yuan per kilometer. They even promise to bear your accommodation or return travel expenses. For those who go on long tours, this is a huge relief. Finally, the big question: what could the price be? According to sources, this is going to be one of the most expensive adventure bikes in CF Moto's history. A logical guess is that its price will be at least $3,000 more than their current 800 MTX model. So, are we thinking of the $11,000 or $1,300 range? If they can keep the price right, it will be the real game changer in the market. And if the price becomes too high, it will remain just a luxury toy. Friends, the CF Moto 1000 MTX is undoubtedly going to set a new benchmark in the world of Chinese adventure bikes. Its power is great, hardware is top-notch, and the technology is the very latest. But will this strategy of taking bookings without disclosing the price succeed? What do you think? What should be the price of this bike? Can it really compete with the big-name Japanese or European brands? Let me know by commenting below. Ending here for today.